Most people get eSIMs wrong. They assume the local SIM is always the best choice. But eSIMs can be faster, cheaper, and more flexible. I tried all the top eSIM options for Albania, and here's what I found. The top providers include Airlo, Nomad, and Holofly. Airlo offers multiple plans starting as low as $5 for 1 GB, which is perfect for short trips. Nomad provides faster speeds with slightly higher prices, ideal for digital nomads who need reliable mobile data. Holofly gives unlimited plans, but at a premium. Most people get this wrong by assuming unlimited is always necessary. It depends on your usage. Setting up an eSIM is simple. You scan a QR code, follow the activation steps, and your phone switches to the new data plan. No need for a physical SIM card or swapping carriers. Coverage in Albania is generally strong with all three providers, but urban areas like Tirana have the fastest speeds. Rural regions can be slightly slower, but still reliable for navigation and messaging. In my testing, Airlo gave the best balance of price and performance for casual travelers. Nomad is best for longer stays requiring consistent speed, and Holofly is convenient if you need word-free unlimited data. In conclusion, the best eSIM for Albania depends on your needs. Budget travelers, choose Airlo. Frequent data users, choose Nomad, and heavy users or unlimited fans, choose Holofly. Most people get this wrong by picking based solely on price. They should consider coverage, speed, and plan type. Subscribe for more travel eSIM guides to make sure you stay connected without overpaying.